My name is Rasmus Astrup. I work at NIBIO, and we're here in the framework of Singletree to test out the intelligent machines in collaboration with SCA here in the Living Lab Value Chain North. So what we have here is the sensor solution that we created for the machines. We basically have a dual GPS, a GNSS system here, one antenna on top, one here. Then we have a LiDAR here, and we have a stereo camera here. Then inside the cabin we have a edge computing device with a Jetson. And hopefully what we will be able to do is to continuously map the forest while we do the operations. We'll be able to re-identify the trees that we see from the pre-flown aerial LiDAR campaigns with this sensor solution, and we will be able to map the remaining trees that are left in the stand after the operation. So this is a first trial, but we are hopeful that it will be successful, and we'll test it in the other living labs in the upcoming year.